It's November, it's the last month of the spring, thanks to all the hard work, but that's no excuse to rest on your laurels. Here's some tips to keep your garden splendid this month. It's exciting in November because there's so much to plant. For summer color, petunias are star performers in pots and hanging baskets. For best results, water regularly and remove spent flowers. There are plenty of other things to plant in November, like rhododendrons. Viria rhododendrons are a great choice to get in now, as are gardenias if you live in the North Island. Hardy hebes are also a good selection. But if you've got a spot for a sweet, scented climber or a ground cover, then star jasmine is a sure bet with its glossy leaves and pretty white flowers. Pretty calabaceous, dianthus, verbenas, and impatiens for a shady spot will also give a good show. Of course, if you don't know what plant to get, come into the store and we'll point you into the right direction. November is also a great time to get some edibles in. Sow beetroot seeds, soak overnight in the water for best germination rates. Put in some cucumber and leek seedlings. Quick growing radishes and rocket are great for summer salad. Plant sweet corn in a block for great pollination. Get some herbs in too. Plant basil, coriander, parsley, rosemary, sage, thyme. Put them in pretty pots and give away as Christmas gifts. Don't forget our perfect plant promise. All our plants except seedlings are guaranteed for 12 months. If you're not 100% happy, return your plant with the receipt or TIX invoice and we'll refund it. In November, we can harvest spinach, silver beet, spring onion, strawberries, lettuce, and broccoli. Fertilizing is big thing this month as everything is growing. Feed tomatoes every 4 weeks with a specialized product and keep the food up to your veggies. Citrus are hungry, so keep them fertilized. Keep an eye on watering needs as the rainfall is unpredictable and things can dry out. Watch out for pesky snails and slugs. Lay some baits to keep them under control. As the weather warms, so too do pests such as aphids and whitefly. So monitor plants for these insects. Blast with the hose to keep them at bay. November is the best time to be in the garden, so get your gloves and get outside. And of course, if you got any questions, come and see us at your local Bunnings. Click here for more gardening advice and click here to go back to the website.